Fear that we won't get what we want.
We don't know what's going to happen.
And we don't know what's going to happen. But maybe something wonderful is going to happen. Okay? When I was married and I kept praying for a great marriage, for this to work out beautifully, for us to be happy together, for everything to be Cinderella. And 35 years and nothing happened. So that was positive. It wasn't getting better. So I finally changed my prayer and I started asking for me to be happy and for me to eventually have a marriage that was happy, whether it was that one or another one. And that led to my divorce the next year because I started not worrying about loss or fear of what was going to happen, because maybe something even better was going to happen. And in fact, it did, because I became self-empowered. I have never been as happy, as youthful, as positive, as joyful, all the things, as grateful. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. Okay, and I used to barely be able to get out of bed because everything was just so awful. I lived in this world of total unhappiness and negativity. And I had 3 wonderful kids. I had a high-paying job, high status. We had money. We had, from the outside looking in, I had a husband with a successful, highly respected position at work and internationally. And I was miserable, okay? And when I stopped worrying about what awful was going to happen and started thinking about, what do I need? What do I want? What can I do to make my life better? Then my life started filling with love and emptying with all of the horrible things, because that loss turned out to be the biggest gain I've ever had. And my life just keeps getting better.